Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, I'm Jessica and thanks for stopping by our traveling beach walking tour video. Let's explore something amazing, shall we? Click like and leave a comment if you are excited to join me on this tour. Today we are off to Portugal, one of my favorite countries to explore. We will be visiting Praia do Carvoeiro, a stunning beach that's nestled into the captivating limestone cliffs. To say it's a dreamy landscape is an understatement. When you first arrive, you can see the charming fishing village along the coastline and be immediately taken aback by its rugged spread of hidden coves and brilliant whites of chalk against the aquamarine sea. It is truly a sight to behold. As you start to make your way down the beach, you'll notice the multicolored mosaic of rocks and native plants, which adds an even more vibrant ambience to the surroundings. Add the fresh ocean breeze to the mix, and you'll almost feel as if you've been transported to an entirely different world. Now that we're down on the beach, let's explore the vast blue cave. To get there, you'll need to traverse down a few rocky steps and two separate rock tunnels. Once you arrive, you can explore the different formations that the tides have created and enjoy the tranquil turquoise waters. It's a magical spot. And don't forget to snap a few selfies while here to capture the breathtaking views from the top of the cliff. It's now time to end our journey and make our way back up to the limestone cliffs. As I leave this sunny beach, I'm feeling so grateful for the chance to explore a real hidden gem of Portugal. If you like this island adventure, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification button to stay up to date on all our crazy travel escapades. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.